What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showcasing you how to find the recycle bin or the folders that contains the deleted item on your iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone. So there are two ways of doing this, one of which you can find the recycle bin in your files app. So if you deleted files like documents and other types of files, then here's you can find those. So in order to do that, you just need to open up the Files app on your iPhone and you want to tap on Browse until you see this browser window. And here you should see Recently Deleted. If you tap on that, that's going to open up all the recently deleted files on your iPhone. Now, they will be staying here for about 30 days, after which they are gone to be permanently deleted. So this is basically the recycle bin, and that's where you can find deleted items of the Files app. Now you can also find the deleted photos and videos. Now these ones are not going to be saved in the Files app. Those ones have a special folder inside the Photos app. So just go ahead and launch the Photos app on your iPhone, and then you can tap on Collections and then scroll down until you get the Utility section. Okay, this is where you have the recently deleted folder. So if you tap on that, it's going to ask you to scan your face to view album. So tap on view album, and once you successfully scan your face, you should see all the recently deleted photos and videos. And from here, you can pick any and restore anyone. So you can look at any photos or videos, and then if you want to recover, you can just tap on the recover button and that's going to be sent back to the gallery. Or if you want to permanently delete, then you can do it from here. So guys, that is basically how to find the recycled bin or deleted items on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.